Now, usually Wednesday evening is our Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge night, but because we were out on the course last week, BCSN's Joel Sebastianelli's favorite segment we do here at BCSN on Sports Nightly, you get a bonus one this week. Let's take a look at our Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge. Now, this week's pot for $245. All we need to do is 3 straight strikes. Easier said than done. I know I couldn't do it. This week's participant, John Lacasio, he's been bowling for over 50 years. His first shot knocks them all down, so he's going on with $10, bare minimum. You get $1 a pin. Now, when he's not bowling, he enjoys baseball, coaching baseball, cooking, and watching his grandkids grow up. Here's throw number 2. It's looking good. Oh, just 1 pin remaining, so he's out of the full money, but he's sitting with $19 now. Can he take 20 home? He does. The retired TPS teacher and assistant high school baseball coach, formerly at St. Francis for 16 years, is going home with $19. BCSN Steve Rothkowitz caught up with Lacasio after his tosses.
The first one you throw goes Brooklyn. What's with that?
I don't know. I just, my feet got a little fast, and I was worried about my thumb sticking. With the humidity in here, it gets a little tough with the thumb once in a while. So
your second shot, then, you weren't really happy with that one. That one never kind of came up. Were you trying to overcompensate maybe?
Yeah. And I mean, that's what bowlers do. I mean, when you tug one, then you try to go, a little wide on the other one, and I just got fast and just didn't finish with it and didn't come up.
All right, there was $245 on the line tonight. He's going to take home $20 worth of that. We'll roll over the other $225 to next week.